Okay, YouTube, this is a chirping smoke detector from hell. Okay, it's a brand new one, and they're good smoke detectors, and you should change them every 6 years. You know, brand new ones, I guess. But it's the battery you need to change every 6 months. But when you do change this battery, now I got it brand new, got it like this, which that battery is in this compartment. Seemed to me was the right way. But guess what? It goes in like that, and you're thinking, but guess what? It'll chirp its ass off even after you put that battery in there like that, and you plug up with the power source right there. It's still going to chirp, like it should do in just a second here, because I got it in the wrong way. So I will take this battery back out, because that is not the right way. Take this battery and it goes in with the prongs going in this way, because, and there's a certain way of that too, these two things make it to where you can only go one way with that battery too, but you can accidentally, as you can see, go wrong way one way because these two prongs are different, but the battery looks the same on both sides. So I'm going to see if I get it right the first time. But you don't feel like it is. It's getting all cockeyed. It's not right. I'm not doing it right. So I have to take it out and flip it around. And then I'll flip it around, and then see if it slides in there. Yep. See, now it just popped in there just right. And that's it. Now it closes real easy. So now with that in mind, that's the way it's going to stop that chirping sound. No more beeping sound. You're going to test it. Push it once, it'll make it sound. Push it again, and it'll stop it. You can do it immediately after you push it once, like this. And push it again real quick, and it has a slight delay, but it will stop. Then you take your first alert and you plug it up to the wall, and that's it. No more chirping sound from hell. Yay! I promise you, I did not know that battery had to go in the correct way. But there is a correct way for that battery to go in, and I can see people obviously accidentally getting it in the wrong way. So hopefully that'll help y'all, because it sure helps me. And I mean, I went around and drove me crazy, as I'm sure I've seen other people have been going crazy with that chirping sound. It's the battery. The way the battery goes in is very, very important. Okay? Bye.